Now, here's something that happened. While you were getting ready to test it, you're turning this op nut. And you're like, man, that's really tight. I don't like how tight that is. Or after you got done and you put the weather shield and everything back on and left, you get a call from the fire department. They're like, hey, that hydrant out on Rose Street is really hard to operate, really tight. Now I'm going to show you how we can adjust this. So what you want to do is, it's closed. Again, we do the same thing as we taking the hydrant apart. You want to take this lock plate off. So let's say this was hard to operate. We want to back some pressure off of this op nut. What you're going to do is take your op wrench again, and let's say we're going to back this off a good quarter turn. That should be good. So, now we've backed this thrust nut up a good quarter turn. Now originally, that thrust nut was right there. Right at the corner of the thrust nut. So, when I went to put it on originally, I put that corner right here. So it sits right there. Now, we've gone and backed it off a decent quarter. But now we're not at the point anymore. So that's where these two sides and this flat plane on this, these two sides and that flat plane on this come into play. Now we can put this straight against the side where it's hugging two corners of the op nut. So our design idea there was, it gives you a lot more options for backing this off and adjusting it. You don't have to always get it the exact spot that this lock plate wants. You have a lot more variables on it. So, now you got it all taken care of, and you got it adjusted. Let's spin this around.